Some of these, like, yeah, they're beautiful and they're heavy, you know. But you get Ray-Bans for like £100, £150, £200. Right, everyone, so this is Çalış Beach now. I've been here a few times. That'll take you towards the beachfront. Then you've got plenty of shops here. It actually looks busier than Hisronu and Holidays at the minute. But one of the shops that I always come to is Trendy. Good quality clothes, good prices, and definitely worth a visit. Hello, mate. All right.
Hi,
I'm good, thank you, mate.
Good to see you.
Everything good?
Hello,
Let's take a look around, eh? Yeah. I mean, I'm in this shop, which is huge, Trendy in Çalış Beach. And I'm looking at the hangers going, oh, I need some hangers for the villa that we're in. Maybe I get some trendy ones. Nice shop, mate. I love this shop.
We're even going to make it much nicer.
Nicer?
Yeah, we got secrets coming up. Special.
Oh, I got a very nice jumper from here the other year. Montclair, 3XL, blue. I want the same, but different colour. Well, I'll take discount.
This is how I find the shop, because they were trying to sell this.
Oh, nice. Thank you very much. Appreciate that. Nice one. Nice to meet you. Love you. All right.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's how I find
where
the
are you
shop.
from?
We're from Gloucester, in England.
Gloucester.
Yeah,
Where the cheese is. Where the cheese is.
Yeah, where the cheese is.
Yeah, nice to meet you, bro.
Thank you.
Appreciate that. Thank you.
Thank you.
Absolutely class. So they've got this up on the phone there, watching Dad Loves Food. I think over on TikTok it was. But yeah, class, love it. But it goes to show the places that I go to are quality. They're either the bargains, the best prices you'll get, or the best quality where you do pay for it, but they will last, just like the clothes that I wear from Trendy. Sue Alp's not a big lover of this outfit I've got on, but I think, what was it, 25 quid this one? Who cares? Who cares? I'll wear it on holiday. Doesn't really matter. I don't think I'd get away with that one, mate. Do you?
Try it on.
Blue.
Try it on.
3XL, let's go. I'm always khaki green or grey, aren't I? Khaki green. Bigger sizes now.
Yeah, no, bigger size. 3, 4, some of them.
This one's 3. Too big or? Too big.
Try size down.
One down.
One now. Let me fasten it first because sometimes my belly and my tits. Then you'll be doing this to me. Already feels better on the arms. But what about the shoulders? The back, the front?
That's nothing.
You think?
Yeah.
So that's the proof that you lost weight.
Where's the mirror?
Just behind you over there.
Go on then, how much is this? Kill me. Kill me, how much?
Not expensive. Reasonable. 50 quid.
Yeah, but come on, for me. What's called?
We'll do
45,
some discount.
49.
We'll do some discount for you.
What about if I buy 2 coats, 3 coats, 4 coats? Very nice. This is 1XL.
Yeah. Size is good, yeah.
Is this your price?
Yeah.
Your price?
Yeah.
Not original price?
No.
Turkish price?
Yeah.
Oh, you buy Porsche now, eh?
These are premium.
Premium quality.
Yeah.
But you can always tell, very nice. Even on the
You
inside,
can
the
see
stitching, the
quality,
feel.
yeah, definitely.
Very nice made. And that's why when I come to Çalış Beach, I always visit Trendy first and last again in case I forget anything.
Yeah, exactly.
Really good, mate. If Rochelle was here now, she'd be like, this. £1,000, £2,000. So last year, I got a Montclair hoodie from you, no zip.
Yeah.
It was really nice. I think it was 3XL.
I think we should.
Do you still have similar?
We got even
It
new
fits
model also.
perfect. I knew when I come back this year, because I haven't seen this in other shops, this quality.
new
I've seen
one,
it,
yeah.
but I've never seen this quality. So I wear this one in the UK, you'll have seen it loads. But that's why I've came back here now, because I want this colour. Would you have a 3XL in this one, please, mate? We'll try the 2 first. I can tell you right now, 3. 3. Even just putting my arms in. There you go, mate. And how much are these?
35.
Have you got everything on your Facebook page? only little bits?
Mostly we got in the Facebook share.
WhatsApp?
No, in the Facebook more.
You ship to the UK still?
Yeah, we still deliver it.
Yeah, this is one. That's much better. Much better. What do you think?
Nice.
Good. Oh, perfect.
New color also.
This one is?
Yeah, this is new color.
Oh, nice. Let's spend in Turkey. Come on, bring on the bargains. Here, it's more about the quality, isn't it, this one? Yeah, let me show you Sual. You all know Sual. Sual picked us up. Sual picked us up from near Dalaman. What was it? Gojek? Gojek. Picked us up. So Madiba Watch from Marmus dropped me off. Sual from Downtown Junior picked us up from Gojek, which is just after Dalaman. Thank you very much, mate. Today's cameraman cameraman
I'm
and drinking buddy.
if you don't like the video, sorry guys, it's because of me.
23. I hope he's gonna let me haggle at the till here. Either way, we are haggling. He might say, no, this is the price, set price. We'll get into that till, get a few bits, and we are haggling. Honestly, mate, if I had a 6-pack and not a 6-pack of kebab, I'd be all over them. Yes, what do you think? Also, if I had a big dick as well. Very nice, mate. Look at that. No matter when you come, even peak season, and there's loads of people in the shop always looks like that. Look how clean, tidy, immaculate, everything shelf right, colours. We've also got a second room in Trendy as well. Plenty of watches. They have still have the big top sunglasses as well.
Yes, I have
top ones.
Yes, this is the here. I have a premium quality. These are all
Yeah.
long sunglasses here.
Oh, mate.
And this is my private room. This is my leather handbag shop over there. This is a separate room. And I got some.
Private room.
Yeah.
Look at them keeping a stash of the top quality handbags out the back. You got the watches out the back here as well. All the logos into the wall. Fair play to them. They know how to design shit. You seen these? Like £100 a pair. The original, yeah. For me, but some of these, like, yeah, they're beautiful and they're heavy, you know. But you get Ray-Bans for like £100, £150, £200. It might be ladies. That might be ladies. Let me show you outside the shop so you know exactly where we are. This is Çalış, and that is Trendy. Check them out on social media. Let's go back in Trendy, haggle at the till and see what we end up buying. Oh, let's look, mate, let's look. Watches, watches, watches.
Best one, by the way. There you go.
Oh, beautiful, mate.
Here we go.
Choc Gazelle, mate. Choc Gazelle.
Thank you.
Buy one, get one free.
Of course. Why
Yeah,
not? Why
yeah,
not?
he said. Come on,
Thank you.
mate. Thanks for showing us the watches. Cheers, everyone. This is Trendy. Let's get out of here. Oh, come on, mate. Come on. This is
Sıkıntı yok, onlar şey yapar ya.
I'm gonna have to I'll bring Rochelle in. Then she can look at the women's. The women's stuff is incredible, by the way. They have top quality. Do you remember I got some before? The top quality.
Yeah, yes.
Like £100,
I know.
but they were good.
I know.
So good.
Still is good stuff.
Last year when I came here, can you fold these back up for me afterwards?
Yeah, I will.
Last year I came, I got this same hoodie, but in a dark blue colour, navy blue. I've worn it, God knows how many times. I've washed it over and over again, or Rochelle has, and it looks the same. Looks like this, brand new.
Still the same.
Still the same.
That's cool.
So how much are these?
35.
25. This one, I went to try a 3XL. Last year you only had 2XL, 2XL. The 3XL was massive on me. This
this
one's
year?
oversized.
XL.
Look at the size of this. So how much is a 3XL jacket?
50 quid.
How much is the XL?
50 quid.
But the 3XL is more material.
I know, but still same price.
25. Next one. The All Saints t-shirts. I ended up getting 3. Sue helps with me now. He was like, yeah, you like them, nice t-shirts. And the same colour, which is like, it's like when you get Stone Island Ghost badge. I like them, the logo is the same colour. But these are the thick material, good stitching and also oversized. How much is this one?
30. 35.
Buy one, get one free. Another one, white one, and then another Moncler hoodie. Tally it up really, mate, tell me what it is. Let's see how much it is.
Yeah. 210 and make a special
210 what lira? Very cheap. I'll have it all again. 210 lira.
Make a discount.
Let's make the discount. We like discount.
Altogether, after discount, we'll do for you 189. But for
I thought
extra,
we were friends.
call it
I thought we were friends.
Aye, 185 with the friend.
So you've gone from 210 to 185?
Yeah. we got the
Okay,
great
180
deal.
is better. Oh, he shook on 180, he shook. He shook on 180.
Aye, no problem.
Come
180.
on, tell me.
For old friend, always looking after.
Tell me.
Take it.
Let's do it. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank
Where's the big boss today? Tell him thank you for the discount. Appreciate it, mate.
you. After you spend money, he's going on holiday.
He's going on all day now, is he? Yeah. Card bounce. Oh, it came out. No problem.
Okay.
Come on. Thank you very much, mate.
Thank you.
Listen, come and check out Trendy in Çalış Beach, just near Fethiye. You can either get the bus here, you can have a day trip to Çalış Beach. You will love it. It's so relaxed. It's open 12 months of the year.
Also, they can contact with us on
WhatsApp,
Facebook,
Facebook.
private message. We send the location. If they want
When
to
I,
know,
when I
come
do
visit
this,
us.
I'll give out your link
Yeah.
and your WhatsApp.
Yeah, that'd be great.
Just £10 more discount.
Alright.
No, I'm Cheers,
But
mate.
you already paid for it.
Appreciate it, mate. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Tamam, sağ ol, mate. Sağ ol.